Hello everyone, I am Bhupen Kriplani, Faculty of Accountancy in SRN International School. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic Accounting for Non-Profit Organization from class 12. Let's begin with today's topic. Meaning of non-profit organization. Non-profit organizations are the organizations which provide services to its members and general public like clubs, charitable institutions, schools, religious organizations, trade unions, and welfare societies. Let's see the characteristics of non-profit organization. These organizations normally do not undertake any business activity, that is, buying and selling of goods. These organizations are organized as charitable trusts or societies, and subscribers to such organizations are called as members. It is managed by the managing or executive committee elected by its members. The main source of income are subscription, donation, income from investment, etc. Let's see the financial statement of non-profit organization. It is prepared to know whether income is sufficient to meet expenses or not. It is prepared for every accounting period, that is from 1st April to 31st March. General principles of accounting are fully applicable in preparation of financial statement of non-profit organization. Financial statement of non-profit organization consists of receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Let's see one by one. The first one is receipt and payment account. It is a summary of cash flow. It records all receipts and payments irrespective to the period to which it belongs to. It includes all receipts and payments whether they are of revenue nature or capital nature. Now let's come to income and expenditure account. It records only revenue receipts and revenue expenditure related to current year. It is prepared on accrual basis of accounting. Finally, we are here with the balance sheet. It shows the financial position of the organization. It records all assets and liabilities of the organization. I hope you all have understood today's topic, non-profit organization. Thank you all. If you like the video, then please like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you to all. Have a nice day.